Hello everyone, this is Ben, and in today's video I'll walk you through how I found my 500 tick short trade in the Nasdaq future. So let's start with the macro and sentiment context. We've got a big tech sell-off over the last few days. We got Trump calling for Cook to step down. We've got the FOMC minutes yesterday showing inflation risk still outweigh jobs. And tomorrow we've got Jackson Hole, which is a highly anticipated event. Also today we've got the S&P Global PMI, which came in strong, showing a solid labor market and some renewed inflation pressure. Overall, it's not really supportive for rate cuts, and the sentiment is not really good. So that's the reason I was looking for short trades, but I wanted to see the price inside of liquidity, and I wanted to sell better prices. For me, this zone right there was very important today. I did my trade in the Nasdaq. And the idea was to short this liquidity right there. So after we've had this push, this manipulation in liquidity, I marked down this zone, this lower time frame zone, and I waited for the price to sweep some additional liquidity, which we had right there. And then I waited for the aggressive sellers to step in. So let's look inside of Bookmap and let's look at the trade. So the trade was right there. As I said earlier, I wanted to see the price move in liquidity, and then for the aggressive buyers to not really step in, and then wanted to see this shift in the momentum to execute this trade. The first exit was at this this volume we had right there, and this liquidity right here. And the second target was the daily low, which you can see right here. It was around 500 trades, and for the exact execution we need to look inside of Bookmap. So there we can see there was some additional liquidity, some sell limits, and we've got the price moving inside of this liquidity and in this manipulation zone right here. Yeah, we had this liquidity right here, the highs, and we've got this fast push. Yeah, high volume and no follow through. So this zone was a key zone for me, and after the aggressive sellers stepped in, after a little bit momentum came up, I executed my trade. Also, I looked at the ES and I waited for this little liquidity to be broken, and that's when I did my trade. The idea here was the same. We've had this manipulation right there. We've got the big ask sellers, and this is the zone I marked down. I also looked at the 15-minute footprint in the ES, and there you can see this exact same spot, which was this order right here. And this was my zone for me to look for short trades, and this is exactly what I did. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and follow, and comment for feedback, or if you have any suggestions for some videos. Yeah, tell me if you liked it and if I should continue to make this kind of videos. See you next time, and bye bye.